first of all, very warm good afternoon everyone. As you all know that myself Fazal Shah and I am from BSK, and today I am going to talk about very useful topic, that is benefits of positive thinking. And there are 5 points of benefits of positive thinking. First is that stress is elevated. The key here is to learn and move on from whatever happened, as stress will only become a hindrance to your progress, and this tension and stress will affect your life in some way. This is why it is told that this is why it is recommended to be positive to overcome difficulties. And second, happy and healthy life. People with a high level of stress tend to have some physical and psychological illnesses, loss of weight, anxiety and sleep problems are common among stressed people. Thinking positively reduces all of it. And third, boosts your confidence. You win half of the battle if you are confident in your abilities. The power of positivity promotes confidence to do and achieve anything in life. And fifth, make a good decision. A positive thinker may find it easy to make decisions in any other situation. He or she can give the right amount of thought to the situation at hand. This is why it is told that positive thinking is the key to success. And fifth, it leads you to success. The power of positivity helps you discover your unknown skills and get to know yourself much better. You can find a ray of hope in the darkest hours with a positive mindset, and all of these are the essential to achieving success. I want to share a thought. Whatever you drive, BMW or Maruti, the road remains the same. Whatever you fly, economy or class, your destination doesn't change. Whatever you wear, Rolex or Titan, the time remains the same. Whatever you use, Samsung or Apple, the people who call you are the same. There is nothing wrong about dreaming about luxurious life. What needs to be is that need doesn't become great, because needs can always be met, but greed can never be fulfilled. Thank you so much. That's all about it.